Audio Jungle.
Kasi bale ko i-photo. Mente tanwa.
Ngabili. Before and after. Before and after.
Ile siya kutsutsuma shele. Isho ane. Me ansam
Live SABC la bona ke mo dikhuni ke ka mo ka tsa ke ga bereka ona tsa ba re a leboa thank you.
Kaya kikis kunin akino pono makote balene pitis otuba uchela bantu ukuthi nje mina ngiyathitis komando awukome ngoba sabande ngivumele ekhaya ushiki inkomo siqhela isibayi mina ekholi ngidlala utshwala ngekho yoluvuka.
Morning. Hi everyone. So hitorame so so my relationship with Makale is that I'm her immediate elder sister. So today we are celebrating her marriage, her union with her husband, Tefora Tufa. It is 9:15 in the morning. The weather is so beautiful. Everyone is so happy. And I'm also very, very excited. So in the meantime, we're waiting for the in-laws to enter so that they can come in through the gate and the proceedings can continue from there. So from here, we are going to have the traditional proceedings, Laba Yakuba Hakela Mahadi Kona. And then from Hakela Mahadi to the Daiwambuti, and then from there, we will proceed to the venue, Ali Nela Riverside. That is where we are going to have our reception, and then we are going to do our in order to bless us and to do everything there. I'm very excited, and I'm so happy for everyone who managed to come, and thank you very much.